What's up guys? Today I made a new ESP32 camera plus Lego to make an own CCTV camera by ourselves. So without any further wasting of time, let's check it out. So this is how it looks like of my ESP32 plus Lego DIY CCTV camera. So this is a custom frame which you can remove it and it's built like this with only this block holding this camera. So yeah, you put it on this motor. Okay. So this is able to turn, as known as pan, and it can also move up and down, also known as tilt. So pan tilt camera. So we have this motor which controls the movement of panning, and this controls tilting up and down. So this motor controls, and this ESP32 cameras have its own wire which connects to an external power bank, which can be held right here. So let me show you in a quick second. So this is what I am talking about. So you slide this in like this, lock it in place like that, and boom. And you plug this in, and this is how it looks like. So let me show you how it works, and let's check it out in-depth guide. I already set up with my computer and the tablet is already ready, and let me show you how it calibrates. So it's originally facing that way, so you can control it from the phone that I will show later. So this is how it works. This is running, and here the power bank is draining power, and yeah, this is what happens when I am controlling it. Okay, go up. Okay, and it can go into privacy mode. So as you can see, there is nothing visible. You can just easily go back, turn it off, and turn that off. So I can also go to the preset positions, like, oh hey, I'm here. Just press the button, and boom. So it's like that, and only it is able to move and do like that. It also have an alarm. So with this makes an alarm sound for 5 times. So that's it for today guys. Let me know if you want a full in-depth tutorial how I made this, and I will be showcasing this one in the next video. Until next time, bye bye.